Beautiful house.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
How you get to know about us? Like how you found Furnishers Five?
Like we both can sit together as well.
That's beautiful.
I'll not say anything about the amount over here, but yes, I mean, अभी भी मैं 10 बार भी कॉल कर रहा हूँ सुनील को या आपकी टीम को, दे आर रिस्पॉन्डिंग वेरी वेल, राइट. वो आके काम करके जाते हैं
After sales.
आफ्टर सेल. आई बिलीव जो फीडबैक आपका मार्केट में है, राइट, यहाँ पे भी स्मार्ट वर्ड में या M3M में भी आपने जो काम किया है, कि जब हम फैक्ट्री विजिट करते हैं तो लोग थोड़ा टाइम पास टाइप करवाते हैं ना, कि भाई ये रखा है हमारा, ये रखा है, वो रखा है. आई डोंट रिमेंबर द नेम ऑफ द पर्सन जो हमको मिले थे वहाँ. अभिनव जी तो नहीं थे उस दिन, कोई और थे, राइट. बट उन्होंने जैसे एक्सप्लेन किया ना हर चीज़, मतलब फैक्ट्री में भी. एंड ऑल्सो व्हाट वी हैव सीन दैट समटाइम पीपल से ये हमारा फैक्ट्री है, हमारा फैक्ट्री है, वहाँ जाके पता चलता है उस फैक्ट्री में तो 10 लोगों का काम हो रहा है ना. होता है ऐसा.
ये सच है, ये बिल्कुल सच है, ये इंसाइट है.
हाँ,
आपको पता
क्योंकि
है
जब हम विजिट करते हैं तो उनके बात करने से पता चल जाता है ना कि भाई जिसने मुझे भेजा है उसका यहाँ पे कुछ है ही नहीं. एट लीस्ट दिस एक्सपीरियंस वी गॉट दैट एवरीवन इज नॉट व्हाट दे आर सेइंग, राइट. बट वी गॉट दैट एक्सपीरियंस विद यू गाइस कि जो आपने बोला है वही हुआ है. वी since we started thinking about temple, it was in our mind that I don't want any door or something, right?
I have seen it, like मैम और सर का भी ना प्यार बहुत ऐसे ब्लॉसम वाला ही है. मतलब ये कब की फोटो है सर?
ये तो कोई लड़ाई झगड़े की लग रही है.
नहीं, करवा चौथ की है. करवा चौथ की है.
देख के लगता नहीं है वैसे आप दोनों में कभी लड़ाई झगड़ा होता है.
हीटेड मोमेंट में फोटो नहीं खिंचवाते ना हम.
होता है पर
And that's with vendors also.
ये बाद में प्लान हुआ है.
ये
Yes.
बीच वाला पार्ट
ये
सिर्फ
वाला.
या 1
This
फीट
one.
वाला,
And
दिस
it's
वन.
ये
Looking-
यकीन मानना मुश्किल है.
वेंडर की तरफ से भी होता है, नहीं सर ये लेमिनेट सेम मिलेगा नहीं, अब हमारे पास है नहीं, बट इट वाज डन फैंटास्टिकली. वो कैसे भी अरेंज हुआ हो, I was not bothered about it, but it is done, right? It is done and it went
and
very
it's
well.
looking beautiful.
Beautiful. Everything in this bedroom is yours, including me.
So today we are in G71C Smartwell Gems. Hello ma'am, hello, how are you?
Hi.
कैसे हैं आप? Hello sir,
Hi,
how are you? Hey man, high five. Beautiful house.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for hosting us today and take out your precious time.
Pleasure, our pleasure.
तो मैम अगर सर मैं बात करूँ how you get to know about us, like how you found Furnishers Five?
I guess it was through one of the common group only, society group. Okay. And we got some reference, some good feedback also, and obviously your videos on the. It was shared on WhatsApp. One of the WhatsApp group, your video was shared, and first I saw kitchen in one of your video, and I liked it.
Thank you so much. तो पहले सर को सर ने देखा हमें.
Yeah, I saw, and then I shared that video with her, and she also liked it, and then we started. I mean, we spoke to few other vendors also, I'll say,
Okay.
right? But
He
Let's
was
say it
more
was-
focused for Furnisher 5 and we saw, I think, one of the flat S.
it was somewhere in S block, I guess, S88
Okay.
or something.
S45/4.
Yeah.
स्टार्टिंग में वो हुआ
So
था.
he really liked that work. So he was more into that. So we just stopped on you only Furnisher 5. So it was our best decision as well because we really liked the work like that come out after that.
Thank you ma'am, thank you so much. It means a lot to us and you start giving me goosebumps from the very start. आपका होम टूर लेते हैं
Sure.
कि घर में क्या क्या बना है और कैसे कैसे प्लान हुआ है.
Sure.
तो हम विल स्टार्ट विद मंदिर यूनिट फर्स्ट आई बिलीव.
Yeah.
लेट्स टॉक अबाउट दिस ब्यूटीफुल मंदिर. ये कैसे प्लान हुआ, क्या इसके बारे में डिजाइन, द स्टोरी बिहाइंड इट इफ आई टॉक अबाउट.
So temple is something that is more, precious or soulful or, serenity place in our home, right? So when we talk about like the space for the temple also, so when like you guys suggested like we have to design in the front part, like from 3.5 area, so it is beautifully designed and managed the space for the temple as well. And when we discuss about I need storage for my like Laddu Gopal, so it is beautifully organized with the beautiful shelves, like we have organized the dresses as well as all the things that is required for when we pray for something. Okay, and so we have the like sitting area also here.
Wow.
So if someone want to sit and then pray for a long time.
How big is like
Yeah,
sitting, ma'am?
Yeah, it is very big. At least 2 people, like we both can sit together as well.
This so beautiful.
Yeah, and here also, like it is good space for the extra things that we don't require daily. So it is good storage here as well.
Well, if I see like that छोटे से मंदिर में
बहुत सारी storage है. Like earlier we used to keep the things here and there as well for the temple, like the extra bed sheets that we required for the prayers, like to so it is everything here now. So it is very like now we are very happy with the place as well. In fact, this is also extra. We have the Bhagavad Gita, so we have kept it very beautifully here. The extra books we have for our temple.
This is indeed very beautiful. See, generally people are go with the black profiles and this. I believe there's an extra amount you pay for copper and golden profiles.
I'll not say anything about the amount over here, but yes, I mean, this was the idea in our mind since starting that we want rose gold, okay, and that's what we did over here. And it is matching with overall theme, one thing. And also, black, I'll say for us personally, it will not look very nice near temple, right? So this is going very well with temple and looking very beautiful. And we wanted this space especially because we have a lot of books, Bhagavad Gita especially, and it was kept here and there earlier in our old premises, but now it is kept over here and it is easily accessible also.
In fact, as per Vastu also, in this room there is washroom, so it has to be divided between,
So we got some space also in between temple and and it gives us some storage for books as well.
And as per Vastu remedy as well, wood create as a remedy, so the energies will not transfer over to the other. So that is so glad that you like this Uday, and this is definitely one of the finest center of attraction of the house. And if we talk about everything, this is done in PU, right?
Yes, this is done in PU.
This has been made this way earlier. How it like the story behind it, if I talk about it, how it goes.
So actually, she found one picture somewhere online, okay, and it was exactly same design, okay. And we asked one of your guy that if we can do something like that. Although it is, you'll not do this because you do modular furniture, but the person suggested by one of your team member only, and he did fantastic job to design this. And I mean, so far I have seen so many videos. I have never seen this kind of what we say is cutting design, and it is looking beautiful over here.
So it is also suggested by you, and we really appreciate the whole team. Because like in the beginning because we guys both like remain like very busy in the working days also, so we cannot explore all the vendors for other things. So it was a concern in the very first stage, like how we'll be doing every other work also. So you suggested like we can refer you with the this POP person and all. So the whole team worked very well, like the Sake, Rashid, everyone worked very well, and we are really happy with everything because they have never denied for any work.
And I truly appreciate your on-site team led by Sunil, right? Obviously, work done by you guys and designer, that is fantastic, but the work done by on-site team.
I think that
right?
is very important,
because they are the one who are executing it, right? I can do something sitting on the computer and change design 10 times also, right? But when we say something to them, even when it is fixed, and they are changing it without any hesitation, without any, let's say, a second thought, right? On our saying only. Although it was discussed that once the design is finalized, we cannot change many things. But yeah, some small changes were made on site also, and they were quite cooperative in that.
Thank you so much. You're talking about Sunil and the team.
Sunil and the team, especially Sunil. Okay, obviously he's the leader, and when leader is good, the team will work well only, right?
He's always like,
he's always positive. There were other guy, I guess Gaurav, he's doing quite well. But obviously Sunil is providing the guidance also, so that is very nice.
So if I talk about कि local carpenter से जब हम काम कराते हैं, आपने पहले कभी कराया होगा,
करवाया है.
तो local carpenters और एक factory fitted working और factory fitted की जो in-house carpenter team जैसे हमारी है, जो salaried based carpenter, उसमें आपको क्या major फर्क देखने के लिए मिलता है?
देखो एक चीज़ तो मेरे माइंड में जब ऑल्दो पहले कभी हमने इतना एक्सप्लोर नहीं किया था, राइट? पर जब से हमने फैक्ट्री फिटेड फर्नीचर देखना स्टार्ट किया, देन वी फाउंड जो स्मूथनेस रहती है, जो फिनिश रहता है, राइट? एंड माई माइंड वाज स्टक ऑन दैट, ऑल्दो वी डिस्कस्ड अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम कि भाई ये थोड़ा कॉस्टली पड़ सकता है, राइट? कि हमारे बजट से भी बाहर जा सकता है, बट द फिनिश एंड द स्मूथनेस, आई विल से दैट द ओवरऑल फील विच इट विल गिव is totally different than the carpenter work, right? Second point which I'll say is the support from your team, as I said, on site work, right? हमने देखा है कि कारपेंटर कई बार कुछ काम करते हैं और फिर आप उनको बोलो तो they'll say 10 of the things before changing it, right? कि ये नहीं हो पाएगा, ये पॉसिबल ही नहीं है, right? ये आप तो हो गया, हमारा अलग खर्चा लगेगा, all those things. And second thing is, although the work is done recently only, but क्या होता है, छोटी छोटी चीज़ें कई बार रह जाती हैं, राइट? अभी भी मैं 10 बार भी कॉल कर रहा हूँ सुनील को या आपकी टीम को, दे आर रिस्पॉन्डिंग वेरी वेल, राइट? वो आके काम करके जाते हैं आफ्टर सेल. मीन देयर आर फ्यू स्मॉल थिंग्स विच आर डन बाय अदर वेंडर्स ऑल्सो, राइट? उनको अभी अभी कभी हम बुलाते हैं तो 10 बार फ़ोन करना पड़ता है, या वो उठाते नहीं है या आते नहीं हैं, बट दैट इज़ अ थिंग, दैट पीस ऑफ माइंड वी गोट while working with you guys, right, the full team, that one is कि ऑन साइट एग्जीक्यूशन में हमको कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आई, ओके? ऑल्दो हम डेली नहीं आते थे, ऑब्वियसली हम द्वारका से आते थे, वीकेंड पे आए, कभी कभी तो 15 दिन में भी आए, राइट? बट उसके बीच में कुछ अगर हमको लगा कि ये ठीक नहीं है या दिस नीड सम चेंज, तो वो हुआ है. इट वॉज डन ऑन साइट ऑल्सो. वन मोर थिंग, फैक्ट्री विजिट के बारे में प्रीति ने भी एक बार मुझे बोला जब हम विजिट करके आए थे, कि जब हम फैक्ट्री विजिट करते हैं तो लोग थोड़ा टाइम पास टाइप करवाते हैं ना, कि भाई ये रखा है हमारा, ये रखा है, वो रखा है. आई डोंट रिमेंबर द नेम ऑफ द पर्सन जो हमको मिले थे वहाँ. अभिनव जी तो नहीं थे उस दिन, कोई और थे, राइट? बट उन्होंने जैसे एक्सप्लेन किया ना हर चीज़, मतलब फैक्ट्री में भी ही टुक केयर कि भाई आप अभी नीचे मत जाओ, वहाँ पे वो मशीन चल रही है एंड ऑल दोज थिंग्स, एंड देन ही एक्सप्लेन्ड एवरीथिंग वेरी वेल.
It gave a
It was
positive
like
feedback.
that they were also excited that someone is visiting factory also, right?
So they
Normally
show-
people say कि भाई फैक्ट्री में क्या करना है यार, इनको क्या करना है आके, ओके हमारा काम भी डिस्टर्ब हो रहा है, but they were excited that we are visiting factory also.
In fact, they shown us these profiles and knobs and everything like that what we will be using for your things. So we were like satisfied, like actually they are doing good work. So it was a good feel.
The minute to minute.
Yeah, they were showing. So we were satisfied at that time, like because when you are not available all the time and when you are like looking after the something that you actually implementing. So when we visited the factory, they kept these cabinets here and there. So they shown us like this will be MDR, this will be. So it was satisfactory for us, like that will finally come out with the good thing only. So it was very satisfying.
Also what we have seen that sometimes people say ये हमारा फैक्ट्री है, वहाँ जाके पता चलता है उस फैक्ट्री में तो 10 लोगों का काम हो रहा है ना?
True.
होता है ऐसा.
ये सच है, ये बिल्कुल सच है, ये इनसाइट है.
हाँ,
आपको पता
क्योंकि
है
जब हम विजिट करते हैं तो उनके बात करने से पता चल जाता है ना कि भाई जिसने मुझे भेजा है उसका यहाँ पे कुछ है ही नहीं, राइट? तो वो चीज़ों से होता है कि भाई वो क्या करके देंगे, क्या नहीं करके देंगे, वी डोंट नो दैट.
We have a registered address for ATC Udyogya Phase 5. If you search Furnishers 5 Gurgaon, so you visit to
At least this experience we got that everyone is not what they are saying, right? But we got that experience with you guys कि जो आपने बोला है वही हुआ है.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, ma'am. So this beautiful, you have this blind as well over here. Can you just
Yeah.
show us?
So
The
this was
wallpaper
also
looks
mean
so stunning.
since we started thinking about temple, it was in our mind that I don't want any door or something, right? I want something which attracts, right? Even when my temple is not open, when God they are resting, then also it should look very nice. So
Beautiful, the Radha Krishna. I wish that I have seen it, like ma'am और sir का भी ना प्यार बहुत ऐसे blossom वाला ही है.
so we try to celebrate every small moments in our life.
I have seen them.
You can see these magnets also. So we have many pictures.
अरे ये कब की फोटो है सर?
ये तो कोई लड़ाई झगड़े की लग रही है.
नहीं, करवा चौथ की है. करवा चौथ की है.
देख के लगता नहीं है वैसे आप दोनों में कभी लड़ाई झगड़ा होता है.
हीटेड मोमेंट में फोटो नहीं खिंचवाते ना हम.
होता है पर
इसे तो चलता है. It's
That is a part of marriage.
part of marriage and part of our life also, and that's how love becomes strong, right? You cannot say good things to each other every time. and that's with vendors also.
Let's go into the master bedroom of the house. ये master bedroom है.
Yeah.
Let's enter into this beautiful vibe, the romantic and the beautiful vibe. Let's see what it is inside. Please, after you. Just at the entrance we can see.
So we have many pictures.
Wow. Lot of movements that can be captured over here. Beautiful. The moment I enter there's definitely the master bedroom वाली वो जो romantic vibe है ना, I can sense that. So beautiful.
So for a happy couple, you know, this is very important, right? So we spent a lot of time thinking about it कि इसको कैसे डिज़ाइन करना है, and especially she spent a lot of time. ठीक है कि भाई नहीं हमको तो ऐसा करना है, ऑल्दो कभी कभी मैं बोलता था नहीं दूसरी तरह से करते हैं, बट या वो तो डिस्कशन में चलती.
ये पूछना चाह रहा था कि ये जैसे ठीक है लड़ाई भी उसका पार्टी है, बट कहते हैं कि जिस कपल ने घर बना लिया, इंटीरियर डेकोरेटर ये सब कर लिया, वो रिलेशनशिप बहुत अच्छा है. तो कितनी बार आर्ग्यूमेंट्स डिसीजंस पे इशू आया और कितना हम लोगों से आपको चाहे वो डिज़ाइन चेंज में हेल्प है, आपके जो विजन्स हैं उसको रियलिटी में 3D पिक्चर्स में दिखाने से लेकर जो ऑन साइड भी चेंजेस हुए, क्या कितना ज़्यादा हम उसको हैसल फ्री कर पाए?
बताओ.
क्या होता था कि ऐसे नहीं ऐसे करो, ऐसे नहीं ऐसे करो?
देखो आर्ग्यूमेंट नहीं, देयर आर डिसएग्रीमेंट्स, राइट? क्योंकि एवरी माइंड इज नॉट द सेम, बट ठीक है वी आर अ कपल, हम थॉट प्रोसेस थोड़ा थोड़ा मिक्स हो जाता है विद द टाइम, एंड वी स्पेंट ऑलरेडी 12 years together, right?
More than
12 years?
12 years of marriage and before that.
Before that also, that is hidden part of it. Right, so हाँ डिसएग्रीमेंट होता है, बट देन वी कम टू अ पॉइंट कंक्लूजन, एंड देन वी डिस्कस विद यू गाइस आल्सो जो भी चेंजेस हमने सोचे माइंड में, एंड those were done.
Are you getting those changes on the design part as well?
Not only on design part, during the execution also, right? Because कई बार क्या होता है डिज़ाइन के टाइम पे हम कुछ सोच के चलते हैं कि ऐसा होगा, कई बार साइट पे वैसा नहीं मिलता है, राइट? तो वो चेंजेस साइट पे भी हुए हैं. जस्ट टू गिव यू एग्जांपल, जो ये बीच में हमको, ऑल्दो इट इज़ वेरी स्मॉल द कबर्ड, राइट, इट वाज नॉट पार्ट ऑफ डिज़ाइन, ओके, बट व्हेन वी केम हियर वी थॉट ओके यार इतना स्पेस बच गया, राइट, और मैं वहाँ कुछ यूज भी नहीं कर पाऊंगा, वी विल नॉट बी एबल टू यूटिलाइज इट एट ऑल, राइट? सो वी थॉट ओके लेट्स पुट अ कबर्ड ओवर हियर आल्सो स्मॉल टू स्टोर समथिंग, राइट? एंड वो पूरा अलाइन हो गया उसके साथ ही, राइट?
ये बाद में प्लान हुआ है,
ये बीच वाला पार्ट सिर्फ, या 1 feet वाला, दिस वन.
ये यकीन मानना मुश्किल है. That's so great.
कई बार क्या होता है दैट कई बार मतलब वेंडर की तरफ से भी होता है नहीं सही ये लेमिनेट सेम मिलेगा नहीं, अब हमारे पास है नहीं, बट इट वाज डन फैंटास्टिकली. वो कैसे भी अरेंज हुआ हो, I was not bothered about it, but it is done, right? It is done and it went
and
very
it's
well.
looking beautiful.
Ma'am, can you show us this beautiful wardrobe?
Yeah, actually it's his wardrobe, so he can show it
नहीं
better.
नहीं तुम ही दिखाओ. Everything in this bedroom is yours, including me.
Wow, very beautiful.
So basically it's his wardrobe, so designed for him specially. So basically this is for clothes that we daily wear, and this is for storage for little things.
So
that
we have
can
some
keep.
accessories like
Accessories
watch,
and
belt, and all those
all. We
things.
can
So
manage over
we
here.
got some partition also inside that to
Can you show
sort
the
it.
partitions?
So to sort the things so कि वो messy ना लगे बहुत ज़्यादा.
So we have sensor lighting also here.
So we have very good space over here. जैसे मैं travel करता हूँ frequently तो I have good space to keep my bag also. Although उसमें 1-2 और डालने अभी मुझे, let's see how.
और ये यहाँ पे आपको loft भी अच्छा खासा मिल गया.
Yes, yes,
space
yes.
है. वो आपने वो जो भी डिज़ाइन हुआ है लॉफ्ट के लिए, एक्स्ट्रा बैगेज के लिए, दैट इज़ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल. क्योंकि हमारे पास बहुत सारे बैग्स थे, तो नाउ वी हैव, अर्लियर वी यूज्ड टू कीप इन आवर बेड्स, नाउ वी आर कीपिंग इट इन आवर लॉफ्ट, सो इट इज वेरी गुड. सो वी हैव द wardrobe here and bed, as well as our work from home unit also, and we have keep this puffies also for sitting, and still then we are having enough space to roam here and there in the room, so that we can take our things out and manage everything in a room.
That's so nice, mama. क्योंकि रूम में है भी मुझे like if you talk about the left part of the wardrobe, ये कैसे यूज होता है?
This is for used clothes. So this is most needed thing in the room that we can keep our used clothes.
इट वाज माय कंप्लेंट ऑलवेज कि यार डोर के पीछे बहुत सारे क्लोथ टंगे रहते हैं, राइट? इट डजंट लुक नाइस, मैं डोर भी नहीं खोल पाता हूँ पूरा, बट नाउ एवरीथिंग इज कवर्ड ओवर हियर, राइट?
Because
And-
you know this is a human thing that we cannot wash every single clothes after using 1 hour.
So ये ventilation grills.
Yeah, these are
हाँ,
like
yeah,
so.
yeah.
Perfect. So it
This is-
look like a dummy wardrobe. If you see from, if you look from here.
It will seem like that we can open it like this,
हाँ.
but
एक हैंडल का कॉस्ट ज़्यादा है।
So,
no, you can like handles like that.
the handles are also looking very good.
Yeah, this is we were thinking to take it for so long, और हमने इनको ढूंढने के लिए बहुत सारी शॉप्स एक्सप्लोर की है.
I can see the laminate choice is also very beautiful because it is not a plain color. The fabric
Yeah.
and the texture is giving.
This is actually seen.
We have not gone with so many colors,
हाँ.
very limited colors, but we kept it limited so that बहुत ज़्यादा अलग अलग कलर भी ना लगे, वो थीम से, पूरे ओवरऑल थीम से मैच भी करे, एंड इट शुड लुक पीसफुल. बेडरूम में आके ये नहीं लगना चाहिए कि सब कुछ भरा भरा है, राइट? मैसी नहीं लगना चाहिए. वी वांट टू रिलैक्स हियर, राइट? सो दैट्स व्हाट वी थॉट, दैट लेट्स कीप इट लाइट. So that's
मैं personally क्योंकि this color is not so beige, it is more over a rose वाली.
This is rose color.
This is
Yeah,
rose color. And the bedroom में rose color
हाँ.
बनता भी है.
Everywhere it is like that.
Everywhere it is rose है ना, beautiful. And we talk about this, the study unit. इसको आप थोड़ा explain करें.
So because after the hybrid culture we have work from home, especially she is kind of full time work from home, कभी कभी ऑफिस जाना होता है. So there was a 0.5 area to do this, but we had utilized that for the wardrobe, right? Because for ladies there are a lot of storage required, correct? तो हमने सोचा कि कहाँ पे इसको बनाएं. So we thought of having a study table in the corner itself. हमारे पास काफ़ी स्पेस था यहाँ पे, so we designed this, and if you see the color theme is same only, right? What we wanted कि जो हमारी एक्स्ट्रा चीज़ें हैं वो भी यहाँ पे आ जाएं, especially some small accessories, some small let's say in use items, chargers and everything. Other than that, we want storage for all the routine things also, all the documents. We have lot of papers, documents, right, to store. So same over here also, right? And this one is with the beautiful light. जब हम काम कर रहे हैं, so we should have enough light on the workstation. So it is planned in such a way that I will have storage also. I can keep some artifacts also, some pictures also, as well as I can store all the other documents.
Can we have the look of this beautiful walk-in wardrobe?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
I think
It
walk-in wardrobe में
also-
तो ये मैम को belong करती होगी.
Yeah.
मेरे को बहुत छोटा सा ही मिला है कोना, and
So
she
it
has all the 0.5
completely
only.
belongs to me. We can say. So this is L-shaped wardrobe. Actually, it has a lot of storage. I can keep my
wow.
winter clothes, my ethnic wear, my western wear, everything I have kept here.
There's
So
a
it-
lot of space in L-shaped wardrobe.
Yeah.
मतलब I have not seen this kind of a like the moment you open it, अब लग ही नहीं रहा 0.5 वाले एरिया में, ऐसा लग रहा है कि हम किसी proper walk-in में आ गए हैं. Can you show us like this, complete from bottom to top? And you have loft still left, ma'am.
Yeah. We have kept the things over there also. That's why I was saying like lofts are very much we have kept our all winter stuff there, right?
The basement की जरूरत तो नहीं पड़ी.
हाँ,
नहीं, नहीं.
even rather than putting it in our
हाँ.
beds also, it is easy to take it from there, right?
So this area is also good for my this beauty products, we can say,
Makeup items.
makeup things that I usually not use.
They have fluted glasses and that's good. Yeah, I think Sar's love to you is more about that charm on your face more than this cosmetic.
And in fact, I asked for the bangle things, so you guys have designed this also. I will be showing this thing also.
Yeah, I mean, rather than keeping it in box,
So my all the bangles are here now. I am happy.
So amazingly beautiful. Color is also very, very beautifully going with our own wardrobe.
Yeah.
the theme of the room.
In fact, the depth of everything has kept the things very organized actually. Mirror, and there are some side slabs as well to keep the things that we are using daily. This is like as per space now, this is a good dressing area we can say. Ayushi was used to say like आपका तो सही से हो गया dressing area.
So yeah, so about this crockery unit, there were a lot of idea in mind. One more important thing that here we have some MCB's panel
The
also,
ugliest
right?
part of
The
the
ugliest
house.
part of the house which no one want to see. Although that's very important to keep the house running, all the lights and everything. But obviously we don't want to show that. And
Wi-Fi as well.
that is designed in quite a good manner that if I want, I can remove these shelves, okay, and then this is just a simple door which I can open and access all the MCB panels, right? Also one more thing,
इसी जगह में इसी डेप्थ में शटर के अंदर शटर है.
shutter के अंदर shutter है and all the panels is hidden now in that, right? And one more point about this Wi-Fi router, okay, although we need to keep it, that's the necessity, but I don't want somewhere in the room, right? And then your designer and we thought of having some open unit over there to keep it in the corner where no one can see it and we can utilize it fully also and get the range everywhere, right?
Lofts
And,
are here also.
And coming to crockery unit, obviously crockery, very important part of our kitchen, right? And sometimes we want to showcase some of that also.
Yeah.
So for that we have got this rose gold profile, and along with the rose gold color, brown color basically glass only, okay. And we have very good storage to keep all of our crockery which were packed in the boxes earlier, right? Now we can keep it easily. And for some additional extra item, we have some space in loft, okay. Although loft cannot be utilized on daily basis, for that we have some space over here also in the bottom, right?
I can see like
We have very good space over here to keep other crockery item, which are
That
not
we are not
used
using
very
daily,
regularly,
yeah, very
right?
regularly.
Or sometimes we get some gifts also from others, so we can store it. Correct.
despite porter person has mentioned that you will going to charge extra bucks.
He charged extra.
Still there are a lot of
Yeah, we have
space
have
left to
Yeah.
fill.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
That is correct. That is
Now
correct.
we'll be keeping your gift also, no?
Yeah.
So what is it like this storage, like, because if we talk about randomly this much of depth, a limited area and with lot of storages.
Yeah.
So the plan in such a way, I think planning is very
So yeah, I mean the storage is perfect. Okay, the planning which was done since starting with your designer and with all the input
whole
from
team.
others also, with the full team, and even some few things are changed on site also. For example, it was like that this open unit was a little small, okay, and then other area was waste only, complete waste only. So we thought, okay, let's make it bigger. Okay, it will look open also, and I can keep something else also, some artifact or something later. If we want, we can keep that also, right? So these small changes which were done on site also.
मैम आपको ऐसा लगता है कि डिजाइनिंग अपनी जगह है, बाकी हमारा सब कुछ अपनी जगह, बट हाउ इम्पोर्टेंट कि प्लानिंग कितनी इम्पोर्टेंट है, नहीं तो घर का क्या से क्या हो सकता है.
Planning is the most important thing for everything, because when we have to implement anything, before that of course we need to plan for our whole because if we are, of course this flat had a very little space, we all know, right? So it is very much like it was a thought, like how we'll be able to manage and keep the things and organize. Of course it should look beautiful as well. So when we had to design, so we have to keep in mind every little thing, what things we have, and we have to keep the things at what place. So that is the part, that was the part of designing that your designer also discussed with us, what will be the length of this thing, depth of this thing, that you have everything for kitchen also. I can say microwave or the air fryer. So she discussed everything, so what we have to keep in our things, and that on the basis of that all the dimensions were taken actually. Initially in the designing part. So that's why now it is looking very manageable and looking beautiful, because nothing is cluttered over there, right?
Because I have seen लाइक क्योंकि मैं रैंडमली बहुत लोगों से मिलता हूँ, कोई कह रहा है कि पूरा घर बन गया, किचन बन गई, फ्रिज नहीं आ रहा, ये नहीं आ रहा, वो नहीं आ रहा.
नहीं, everything is perfectly fitted. When when we had the puja at our home, some relative, because at that time like things were not at their places.
There were no furniture actually that time.
So they were thinking like how they'll be keeping the things, because like we both belong to Punjab and Haryana, so there are very big houses like we have. So they were thinking like how we'll be keeping our things. But now when everything is at their own places, so now they are also happy, like at small.
जो शुरू में लग रहा था वो
I mean,
now-
the actual space is even smaller than the house where we were living earlier, okay? But there also we are not having this much storage, right? We were just keeping things over each other and here and there, but now everything is kept at its place where I can find it, we can find it very easily.
In fact, the suggestion of glass, where we need to have the glass panels,
okay.
and
Especially where
Yeah.
to keep the plain one and where to
Yeah.
keep the fluted one.
Ah.
Like in the cupboard, right, where you keep the cloth, you don't want everything visible over there, so we want the fluted one over there, right?
the Ayushi ma'am.
Yeah, Ayushi has suggested that okay, over here you keep the fluted one and over here you keep the plain one, so those things were
and the suggestion of colors also, we can say the black or brown, what we need to choose according to our theme. So it was fully discussed at the part of designing only.
this is
So
very important.
designing should be given more time so that everything can be
Yeah, that is the
smoothly-
most important
yeah, that
part.
is the most
Also, we
important.
spend around two and a half months to do that only. Like every weekend, we are going to your office and then we are coming back and discussing lot of things for whole week. Even when we were traveling, right? So on the WhatsApp and all, we were discussing and sharing, and then finally giving our input to your team and your team input. We were getting right, and then
Because utility is something which
yeah.
is you aware of.
So this is how it was done.
This ultimately were very beautiful. So we are going into the Riyansh room now. Here we are entering into the Riyansh room. Hello Riyansh, how are you? Give me a high five. Oh wow Riyansh. आपको कैसा लगता है आपका रूम? बहुत अच्छा. इतना अच्छा या इतना अच्छा? अरे वाह, थैंक यू. तो अगर हम बात करें ये इसके बारे में, आपके स्टडी यूनिट के बारे में, तो आप हमें दिखाओगे स्टडी यूनिट अपनी, कहाँ पे क्या क्या है?
ये यहाँ पे इसके अंदर बहुत सारा स्पेस है, यहाँ पे बहुत सारी चीजें आ जाती है,
हाँ.
यहाँ पे डिस्प्ले है, यहाँ
और
पे
ये डिस्प्ले में अपने क्या क्या रखा हुआ है?
ट्यूब्स है, कार्स है, ये रोबोट है, ये बहुत सारी चीजें हैं डिस्प्ले।
ये अपना डिस्प्ले दिखाना है, ये वाला. You like this? So,
Why do you like this?
why do you like this?
It has इसके अंदर बहुत जगह है बुक्स के लिए, यहाँ पे कीबोर्ड, पियानो, ऊपर ये सॉफ्ट टॉयज।
So you have lot of storage. So can you show me your wardrobe? Oh, what is this?
This is a football player.
Ah, you like football?
Yes.
Okay, show us your wardrobe. Wow,
Full of toys.
full of toys.
More than clothes.
So talk about this one. You have lot of toys, Riyansh. Tell me about the toys. How many toys you have?
This much. And in this also there
this
are
also?
toys. This much is toys.
Oh wow. ये मम्मी पापा ने तो कुछ नहीं रखा हुआ अपना इसमें?
बस कंबल है दो
वो तो
तीन,
आपके ही है ना?
ऊपर भी कुछ रखा है
ऊपर भी
डिब्बे
रखा
में।
है।
न्यू बैग है, न्यू बैग आपके।
You cannot reach to loft, तो वो हमने utilize किया है ना.
तो अभी अगर इफ यू नीड टू, अगर आपको हमें नंबर्स देने हो 10 में से कि आपको आपका घर कितना अच्छा लगता है, तो हमें 10 में से कितने नंबर दोगे?
10.
10. अरे वाह, वेरी गुड.
So in living area we have this beautiful shoe storage also, or shoe rack also. Okay, though there is not lot of space to keep it, but it is designed in such a way that it is not looking bad. Also, it is looking beautiful actually, right? To have this unit over here just behind the sofa and on the entry, so that we can just put our sleepers and shoes over here and then walk in. And we have this small sitting area also. You know, it is a very good utility, right? That you cannot wear the shoes when standing, so we have this very small space you can sit and you can wear your shoes,
So,
We
right?
can open it
Can you
also.
open your- Oh wow.
We have enough storage over here, right? So there are 3 such panels, right? With ample storage for all the shoes over here, right? Then we wanted some additional storage also to keep few things which are regularly required, right? जो आप bedroom में नहीं रख सकते, जैसे कुछ tools हो गए, कुछ things हो गई, कुछ storage की item होगी, right? जो आपको regular use करनी पड़ती है. So this console or chest was planned over here with lot of storage over here also, right? So if
With
we see,
adjustable shelves as
we have
well.
so many, you know, things over here in boxes and all, right?
What is the significance of adjustable shelf if I talk to you? कि क्योंकि आप घर में obviously एक lady ही घर को घर बनाती है या फिर एक ईंट पत्थर के मकान को home बनाती है. So what is the significance of the adjustable shelf?
See, when we need, basically sometimes we are having something smaller that we need to keep in our wardrobes or something at the storage place, but when something bigger come, like anything bigger come,
True.
so we need to think like now where we have to keep this thing. We don't have that space because we have the lesser storage, or we have the like smaller shelves as well.
True.
So the benefit of this adjustable shelves is like we can remove the shelf and we can utilize that space for that particular thing only. So it is very good, and this has been designed at many places in the home, like wherever it is required, adjustable shelves in the kitchen, in the MDR also. In I think I can say in all the wardrobes there are adjustable shelves in every cabinet.
Like all these are adjustable. We can remove
Yeah.
it if we want. If we have some bigger
If
item to
something
keep
bigger
over
to
here,
keep
we can
over
just
there.
remove it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Some bigger item are there which you want to store. So these things can be utilized very
So this is
easily
very
over
good
here.
suggested by you guys. So it is a good.
Rather than having fixed shelf, let's have some adjustable also to store things properly.
So सर मैम काफ़ी लोगों का ये क्वेश्चन था कि टीवी यूनिट का साइज बहुत छोटा है, कैसे बनेगा, कैसे नहीं बनेगा. कुछ लोग कॉर्नर वाली डेप्थ को बिल्कुल यूज़ नहीं कर सकते.
नहीं, हमने वो भी
यूज़ किया है. वही मैं आपसे जानना चाह रहा हूँ. तो मैम कैन यू शो अस like मतलब टीवी यूनिट, like how this living room comes out?
See, when we talk about this TV unit, we can say like it is very in the very much of like corner of the full living room. We cannot watch the TV from our dining area, so it's been suggested like we have keep this rotational, so that if we are having a dinner, when we have some kind of free time, we want to watch something, then we can sit over there and we can use this area.
So great.
Yeah, and of course, and we have to keep many things nearby this TV unit. Like now, like we have recently shifted, so some things are not there, but we have to like keep our speakers or other like homely things to make the vibes. So we have the enough space over here.
So we have some open space also to keep
Yeah.
all the artifact. And thing which I like most about this is this roundness, because this is routine passage area where we can go to balcony also. So this will help so that no one will get hurt over here, right? And other than that, it is not impacting the storage also. We still have similar storage which we wanted, other than having these corners
Instead of, like,
also,
the
right?
size
Yeah.
of the wall is very low. It comes out
Because of this design also,
Yeah.
where we have two level of design, right? It is coming beautiful.
So it is
Rather than
matching
having
with
all
whole,
the same color on the full wall, we have like a back panel over here which is the dark brown color, and then we have the
And this
with
storage we
some
can
light.
use when guests are here, and we have a lot of things that we are not using at the
Serving
moment.
them,
We are
yeah.
serving them, so we can keep it here also.
That's true, very
Yeah,
true.
yeah.
Like if you're serving someone, like we have a lot of space to put glasses.
Extra lids or something
Yeah.
like that, so we can keep it
A
here.
lot of storages with
Yeah.
2 shelves and amazing place too. Like how beautiful these cabinets are indeed are looking. एक चीज मैंने जो देखी यहाँ पे नोटिस करी, जो मैंने और फ्लैटों में नहीं करी, ये गोes to सुनील आई थिंक. ये हमारे क्या किसी के में भी बॉर्डर नहीं लगे हुए.
Sakir.
we mentioned, one of the video which I was seeing, right? I don't know, it was your video or somewhere. I said that this open part is not looking very nice from the bottom side. Okay, you can see the curve of the panels, right? These are WPC panel. You can see some gap also sometime, right? So we thought of having this L shape, and we spoke to your team and all, and then although earlier we got a different color which was not matching, then we asked them to change, but
changed.
then we got this color and it is going very well.
In all the rooms.
You cannot see any gap over here now,
Yeah.
right? In the bottom side you don't see any gap over here. It is covering everything and it is giving a smooth finish over here.
So
Right.
अगर मैं बात करूँ कि आप दोनों से सरन में, so like चाहिए पेलमेट ही क्यों नहीं है और बाकी चीजें everything in the house. So how important the 3D pictures play a role? Like how important it is, like कि what you are getting, like the future, like आप आँख बंद करके तीर नहीं चला रही हो, what
you know 3D picture are giving kind of visibility to your imagination. अभी तक जो हम सोच रहे हैं हम सिर्फ इमेजिन कर रहे हैं कि ऐसा लगेगा, शायद ऐसा लगे या ना लगे. 3D पिक्चर्स या 3D डिज़ाइन जो है ना वो उसको एक्चुअल एक लेट्स से डिस्प्ले करते हैं आपके सामने, दैट हाउ इट इज़ going to look like, right?
If we are taking this design, how it will be looking. If we are taking this color also, if it is it matching with the concept that we are thinking and imagining for our home. So it is good to have the 3D picture when we are what we are thinking, and then we are designing and making it because we cannot visualize all the things when it is displaying actually, but 3D give the mindset that it will be looking when it will be actually
It will give
implementing.
you the real impression.
Real
When we work
impression.
with carpenter, we'll come to know once that is pasted, right?
Right.
We'll procure everything, and once that is done, then we'll come to know, okay, oh, this is how it is looking like, right? But when we have all the designs in hand before even the things are executed, we'll get the idea that how it is going to look like, whether I like it or not, right? That's the idea we get from 2D and 3D both
So
the
if we
designs.
talk about like the designer part over here, see, क्योंकि काफी बार हमने देखा है कि काफी जगह जो डिजाइनर्स होते हैं वो फ्रीलांसर्स होते हैं इंस्टेड ऑफ ऑन द सैलरी बेसिस. सो दे जस्ट हार्डली गोइंग टू चेंज 1, 2 or 3 times and they get irritated if you ask them to change the color or design. So how efficient, like if you talk about your because changing the colors and designing is like आपको कभी ऐसा महसूस हुआ कि they getting irritated?
No. Actually, earlier what we planned for, like I was dreaming, it was the green. Like I liked greenery, so I was thinking to have green color. In fact, in the initial stage, we started with the green color in the kitchen, like the pista green or something like that. But then when the 3D came, so the whole things get changed, and we shifted to this rose gold and white theme for the whole home.
So after repetitive changes,
Yeah, repetitive changes
Yeah, I mean,
we have mentioned.
for these things we have done 3-4 changes.
Yeah.
Also with the size of the things, with the size of the cabinet, size of the storage, right? All these things are there, quite a few changes done, and the team was quite cooperative to do
when
that,
you
right?
visited to the showroom, so when you visited to the showroom, how, because it's an important question to ask, because many times we meet clients like they they drop the plan doing the design phase with the other company, and we are doing multiple flats here that goes to some big brand, some space or lane companies, and they then came back to us and asking that this things has been happened during the design phase, ऐसा हुआ वैसा हुआ, they keep not changing as per our requirements, not giving us proper 3Ds or something. So like, and the gestures, and like when you visited to our office, like do you find homely enough, like how?
Yeah, I mean we were getting served with tea and cold drink every time.
Anytime they used to have
I
that
don't
dry
remember
fruits.
the name of the support staff you have, but they are also quite like, whenever you are coming, they'll ask for
क्या लोगे, क्या
tea
बनाए
and coffee
लोगे?
multiple time, okay, and mean
We had
everyone,
lunch over-
I'll say that, okay,
Lunch also twice or thrice there.
yeah, mean see, designer, executioner, you guys, sales or marketing, that's a different job, right? But your support staff, office support staff also, they are very nice, they are very
They
cooperative
also
and
give vibes when you are visiting.
it is not that someone is coming and their work is getting increased. It was never like that. So what I will say, that overall team, okay, it is not about designer, not about one guy, Sunil or you, everyone in F5, they are doing fantastic job.
Thank you so much. Let's go into the third room, which is
Guest
the guest room.
or our parents' room, you can say.
Parents.
They
It's our
use-
parents' room.
Parents' room
Yeah.
actually.
Yes.
So
Wow, the color of every room is on the like बिल्कुल उसके हिसाब से हैं जो इस रूम में, क्योंकि किड्स रूम में किड्स के जैसे कुछ कलर्स रखे हैं आपने कि किड्स लोग थोड़ा ग्रो भी हो तब भी, एंड द रूम एंड दिस रूम अगेन ब्यूटीफुल. So if you talk about this room, sir.
I mean, the niche which was given for this wardrobe, the depth is not that much. Okay, if you want to hang something like your blazers and everything, वो नहीं आएगा इसमें, right? It's close to 20 inch or something,
Okay.
right? जब हम हैंगर लगाते हैं ब्लेजर या सूट
True,
के
true,
साथ तो वो
true,
बाहर
true,
निकलेगा, okay?
true.
So we thought कि ठीक है, सामान रखना इज ओके, बट कुछ हैंग भी करना पड़ेगा, राइट? एंड
बिल्कुल सही बात है.
फ्यूचर के हिसाब से भी थोड़ा ओके कैसे कर सकते हैं इसको, ओके? एंड देन द आइडिया केम इन दैट इसको थोड़ा सा बाहर निकालते हैं विद द हेल्प ऑफ योर डिजाइनर ऑल्सो, बट देन इट वाज नॉट लुकिंग नाइस ऑल्सो फ्रॉम द साइड, यू नो, इट इज जस्ट कमिंग आउट अलोन, राइट? द wall is still behind only, we cannot extend the wall, right? So we thought of having some open space also to keep some artifact over here, and these are 3 slabs, although we were not very much aligned on having this, right?
Yeah.
But it is looking
Yeah, it is giving a continuity to the
yeah,
wardrobe.
it is looking good.
Yeah.
So maybe in future we can add on something on that
Yeah.
also, but yeah.
This is
Now we
very-
have it's Riyansh, Dadu, Dadi and Nanu, Nani pictures, because this room belong to them only whenever they are visiting us.
so beautiful and so thoughtful design. If I talk about this, like, because hanging must needed in
Yeah,
the
yeah.
wardrobe. And I have seen many people making it the same way, and they don't get that hanging space.
I mean, and also color, we don't want to keep it like our color, our master bedroom color, that is a little bit on the rosy side, right? And the kids room color, so we want to keep it something, you know,
Soothing to
soothing to the parents also, which doesn't look loud to them also, right, when they are coming. So we thought of having something like that.
So
Although,
this is
I
the
mean,
TV remote also.
earlier when it was laminated, it was looking totally different, right? But once the lamination was removed, right, and then it was
So this color, the color of this wardrobe is also not like a old school theme, because the designing part of this, laminate is also, vibing with the whole home when we are entering from like this entrance, and like whole theme planned with this beautiful TV panel also.
Yeah, I mean, ceiling is done very beautifully, but I will say, although we all spend a lot of time to finalize the design, and we don't want कि ऐसा भी नहीं चाह रहे थे हम कि वो छत बहुत नीचे लगे, रूफ नीचे लगे, because we don't have too much height. It's 9.5 feet only already. So it is like covering every aspect. We were able to fix multiple type of lights also, which are much needed to give the aesthetic look, to give the kind of vibe, right? And lights also, although we have good amount of natural light also, because everywhere it is open, right? But at this time we'll need that light, and everything is getting covered so nicely over here.
So beautiful. So indeed very beautiful. The heart of the house, which is the modular kitchen.
Yeah. It is matching with Radha Krishna theme only, because it's the peacock that is the most adorable, or our national bird as well. So we have taken this line. We have the shelves here also. So we have kept our trays, extra trays here, and here also, that is the, although we used to say no to plastic, but we all have one
Lot of
cabinet that we are keeping our extra plastics. So this is the bottle pull out if we are using any oil or something like this. So it is very nearby to home only. So all things are designed as per the uses. If I am working here, so like we can remove oil from here, we can use spices from here, we can use cutlery from here. So everything is very beautifully designed, and so these are the two bigger cabinets for our bigger utensils. We can say the utility utensils.
True.
So like the daily usage utensils we have kept, and these are like there is no you can say clutter also, but there are a lot of like as per the utensils there are a lot of utensils, so it is kept very manageable. And we have the new steel bartan over here.
So I can see like you put lot of utensils
Lot
and a
of
big size drawer.
utensils. We have a lot of utensils. Earlier we were keeping in our cupboards or something like that, but now everything is in kitchen only. So here also we have some extra uses that we don't use daily, so some extra things are there. And this is something like we can say some daily basis snacks also we can keep. So these are also and some extra snacks that we can use daily. So a lot of storage is here that we can use.
Indeed, there's a
Right?
lot of storage
Yeah.
in this size of kitchen you have, ma'am.
Yeah.
So, like your kitchen is like always neat, clean because it has been planned very well.
Yeah, so this shelf should be always neat and clean, because if we see shelf neat and clean, then we feel stress free when we are working, right?
Yeah.
So when things are at their place and we are just removing and using and keeping it back, so it is very stress free. And in fact, 2 days back only we had 6 to 7 guests at our home, so there are a lot of food also, but
So-
everything was easy to manage
Yeah, because
because we have
everything
this enough space also that
यस तो अभी मतलब प्लानिंग करने की वजह से, डिज़ाइन और प्लानिंग करने की वजह से हर चीज़ की अपनी एक जगह बन जाती है.
आपके पास कितना भी सामान हो, बट इफ यू आर स्पेंडिंग लाइक अ गुड टाइम ऑन डिजाइनिंग, तो आपको एक जगह मिल जाती है कि आप कहाँ पे क्या रख रहे हो, क्या प्लान कर सकते हो. आप रिक्वायरमेंट बता सकते हो, लेकिन आपके पास इस चीज़ को आपको यहाँ पे रखना है, इट कैन हैव दिस डायमेंशन, लेंथ और डेप्थ. सो आप वैसे ही आपके डिज़ाइनर आपको सजेस्ट कर देते हैं कि यू शुड कीप दिस कैबिनेट एट दिस लेंथ और डायमेंशन विद दिस डायमेंशन ओनली.
If I talk about this beautiful unit, ma'am, the washing area. So यहाँ पर स्टोन लगाने में भी एक बहुत अच्छे से मेरे ख्याल से प्लान किया गया है कि स्टोन को सिंक के अंदर लिया गया है.
He will be telling about it more.
Please, sir.
So, I mean, yeah, I saw some video that rather than having it on countertop, let's make it under, right? So that it looks smooth, right? You can see the finish from the top, it looks same. Otherwise, you will have some border or the bowl of the sink over here. So that was planned. Although again, I mean, we were not in agreement of having this because sometimes it looks little small, right?
Yeah.
But it is giving a better look to the kitchen.
Better look, as well as I think the person suggested that it will be increasing the life of this shelf
Unit
area, like
actually.
10 year more. He suggested like
because the water directly
Yeah,
it is
into the
not-
sink.
yeah.
Otherwise, you will have those gaps in the sides and water can go in. Although the board used by Furniture 5 is Boilo, right? One of the best quality, I'll say that, which is waterproof. But still, I mean, that care which we can do from our side also, we tried that also to have the sink under this. And below this area also, we have very good, space.
under RO, under sink RO is,
RO is there. Then this pull-in dustbin is also there. Okay, although we cannot, we are not able to fix that unit to keep the what we call it detergent holder because of the RO, but that is also kept very well.
So you have a wet or dry को हम separate कर सकते हैं.
Yes, we have that option that we can
Wet or dry.
या ये इसमें दोनों ऑप्शन हमारे पास हैं. हम वेट और ड्राई को सेपरेट कर सकते हैं, राइट? वी हैव टू डस्टबिन्स ओवर हियर.
And RO का water कहाँ से आता है?
So because it is under sink, so we have this very beautiful tap, and this is, let's say, very easy to access, right? Rather than opening some cabinet on the top, right? This was also idea given that rather than having the R on the top, let's have it under sink, and utilization is much better. You can take water very easily from here, so that's
and
the best part of it.
It has saved us space also.
Space also,
because
basically.
it is a big area to keep our daily use
And
dishes.
after washing, we can just keep the dishes over there,
Lot of
right?
plates,
All the
How many numbers of plates can be accommodated in it?
I don't remember that, but it is enough to keep all of our plates.
12, 13, I think, I don't know.
No, maybe around 20 or 25 something.
And you can see a lot of glasses and these
I think
small
more than
bowls.
20 is still there.
Yeah, 25 or something, I guess. So normally we have RO in this area and that will kill that space, but now we were able to use it. I don't know what is this unit called, GPTP unit or something, right?
GTP, glass tray, plate tray. right?
Yeah, glass tray, plate tray.
So it is also good, like if some
It has a drain
drops
tray
of
also.
water
you
drain,
know.
yeah. So
You
we
can remove this drain tray and then we can remove the water.
So if we talk about the dishwasher, how it is accommodated and the story behind it. You have a dishwasher inside the kitchen.
Looking at the size of the kitchen, we were not really sure that will be able to fix the dishwasher over here also, right? Because the size of the dishwasher is quite big, what we have seen earlier, right? And we were not using it also earlier in our old home. But then suggested by one of your designer only that yes, it is possible to have the dishwasher. Even if you don't want to install it right now, you can have this open area with one door over here. That door is now removed, but it was a door over here.
We have that
if you,
door also if you want to remove the dishwasher.
That if you don't want to install dishwasher right now, at least we can plan the space over here, right? Because in future you never know, you plan it or not, right? But still you can have the space, you can keep few things over there if dishwasher is not there, because in the future it will be very difficult to accommodate it, right? It is very
we
big.
need to manage
It has
with
been planned earlier.
Earlier itself that let's have a space for dishwasher in the initial phase itself.
to keep the drainage pipes and everything. It
Everything
was
was-
designed and yes, earlier we took the door only, but after few days only we had the dishwasher also.
So F5 का एक है future provisions के लिए.
Yeah, you can use that. So in fact the height for the dishwasher, so we were thinking like how it will be managing with the height of the slabs as well when we are standing. If of course it's up to our height also when we are using. So the height of the slabs is also
We
good.
had to increase it a little bit,
Yeah.
right, as per the design and as per the size taken into consideration, but we can still work quite easily over
very
here.
easy.
It's not very high also, so that's one thing. That's about planning and designing, and that is why it is important to spend your time over
So
there.
if we talk about this unit, like
Yeah, this is for appliance unit, and like we have the appliances here, like it is movable, and we can keep our mixie grinder here and some these things that we are
all
not
the
using daily
appliance,
actually, but
yeah.
but we need it in our kitchen.
So we were able to keep all the electric appliance over here at one place itself, right? So that when we need to utilize, we can just pull out this tray and we can utilize that, okay? And other things which are not of daily use, we can just store it over here. Whenever we need, we can just take it out.
So here,
So USB, I'll say this pull-out tray is kind of
yeah, when
USP
when we
of
need
this.
to use this mixer grinder, so we can easily pull it out and we can use.
There is no need to take it out
We
and
have the
place
proper
it on the
electric
shelf.
connection over here, so we need not to
आपको
rush
जब
here
आप
and
इसके
there.
अंदर use करते हैं मिक्सर ग्राइंडर को, एक weight आता है, तो it will be easy to and
Yeah, it was easier to handle. Although we are only here for 1 week that we are using it, but I have used it for I think 5-6 times. So it was very easy to manage with the weight also. Like there was no disturbance. It was not hampering anything.
okay.
So it was good. So it was like I was thinking earlier, like when this rotate and it give a pressure at the below point, but no, it was very smooth to work here.
That's so great.
Yeah.
And this unit is definitely looking so beautiful.
Yeah, and like for the extra, this wicker basket for our aloo and pyaj. So we have kept it here with the partition. Like your designer suggested, like you can keep it two also. You can keep the partitions also. So we don't need it much, but yes, it is good with the storage for two of
We
the
were
things.
in between. We were thinking about having that steel one also, right? Which are nowadays in trend, right? But then we thought of going with the traditional one, and this is, I guess, better.
तो मैम आपको पुरानी किचन और इस किचन में क्या डिफरेंस महसूस होता है जो हम पहले अर्लियर किचन यूज करते थे?
पुरानी किचन में जैसे कि मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दिस पेंट्री यूनिट, ठीक है, वो थोड़ा स्मॉलर था, तो मुझे लाइक जो भी चीज़ें यूटिलाइज करनी होती थी ना, मुझे पीछे से निकालना, और स्पेशली दिस लाइटिंग पार्ट ऑल्सो, तो इससे लाइक ईजी हो जाता है कि हम क्या ढूंढ रहे हैं, वी कैन ईजिली यूज़ दैट. और बाकी जो अप्लायंसेस हैं, ठीक है, तो यूजुअली क्या होता है ना कि हमें शेल्फ पे, अब लाइक मिक्सर ग्राइंडर हम शेल्फ पे रख रहे हैं, हम यहाँ पे, मैंने अवन के लिए स्पेशल रैक रखा हुआ था, तो उसने एक भी स्पेस लिया हुआ था. अभी यहाँ पे माइक्रोवेव अवन हमारा फिट हो गया है, और नीचे हमें स्पेस मिल गया है कि हम जो भी लाइक एक्स्ट्रा डिशेस हैं, हमने यहाँ पे देखो ये अर्थन पॉट भी रखा हुआ है फॉर वाटर, तो ये स्पेस यूटिलाइज हो गई है. ऑल्दो ये था कि स्पेस बहुत कम है, but because of designing only, we are able to fit everything in our kitchen, I can say. Like we have all the crockery also that we need for the daily basis, and so it is very efficiently like working for me, because when we have lesser time, as I mentioned earlier also, when we have lesser time for the things, like if we are cooking or we are doing anything. So if the things are at right place and in approachable approachable cabinets also, you can save your time in anything, right? So it has to be done in the designing part. That of course Furniture 5 team has given their time, invested time, and suggested as well, like where we can keep the things.
Initial phase we started with the different color altogether, okay, and when the 3D came in, then we thought, okay, it's not looking nice, and then we started thinking to change it, right? And then we have given several ideas to your designer, and then some ideas came from their side also, and finally we finalized this after I guess 2 or 3 changes, or even more than that. I don't remember that exactly, but it took a lot of time.
In fact, after
And,
this installation, this fan was
Yeah, I mean, about the things, when all the units came in, they were quite perfect, okay, and modular, the benefit is that you can install single unit and you can remove that also if you want, right? That's one benefit of modular which we have. And important point that there were some last minute changes also, right? For example, this door, this was a single door, okay, but then we thought of having the fan over here, and then we asked, okay, can we make it 2? And then it was, they did it on site only, from 1 to 2, right? So that we can open it also while the fan is running, fan is operational, then also we can open it quite easily. So I'll say that in designing we spent a lot of time, and yeah, that went.
And for this chimney area also, that is all covered.
Yeah, the chimney pipe is completely covered, you cannot see it, and we have this complete loft over here along with some storage on the top also. Like this area we have very good storage over the refrigerator.
You open the pantry above shutter, sir? Oh wow.
So
we have the depth here also, like
very good storage over here. Even on the top of the fridge also we have ample storage over here, to keep all the extra things. So
indeed, you have a lot of storage in this beautiful kitchen.
Yeah.
And kitchen is where family gathers and friends are welcome. So how is it true like this when you talk about the kitchen part?
It is true, because of course we feel good when we go when we cook good food, but when friends or family is here, then it give a great vibe. Of course we are happy to serve also whatever we are cooking also. So kitchen is something, whether you are working, everyone is working, but when you are working or non-working, but every woman, of course it is not gender specific also, but then also when you are cooking, so you spend a lot of time in cooking, but when the things goes well in managing the things, then it feel happy, like you are saving a lot of time and everything, and you don't have to keep the things here and there, and then you have to again keep it back.
Sir को कुछ cooking आती है?
Yeah,
I can
Cook very well?
I can cook very well.
Better than that?
Better than.
Oh, that's so great.
I can cook very well till she get very angry.
that we left for the geyser.
Yeah, that's also a very good point, that we were able to hide the geyser also behind this loft with some area for ventilation as well. The geyser is behind this, we still have some area for ventilation, so that is also hidden.
That too has been discussed.
Discuss that too, how if we hide it, how it will be ventilated and all, and then this was planned. So all of these things are discussed during the design phase, and which made this kitchen very efficient. I asked her multiple times that is it enough space when you 2 or 3 people are working in the kitchen. It is good to have this enough space and all the things are stored properly or not, and it was very good.
4 people can also work at same time.
Yes.
Like it is that good. Yeah.
So I'll say
In fact, this space is also enough. Like we can.
We were not very sure that if we'll have enough space in between or not in between both the shelf, but this is enough space, I guess.
सर अगर आपके किसी फ्रेंड या फैमिली को इंटीरियर करवाना हो तो उन्हें बिना टेंशन हमारे पास आप भेज सकते हैं, मुझे क्या ये कहना सही रहेगा?
हाँ बिल्कुल भेज सकते हैं. इवन आई डोंट नो, मेरे को उनका नाम नहीं पता. मेरे एक फ्रेंड हैं, उनका नाम तो खैर विकास है. उनसे मैंने बात किया था फर्नीचर 5 के बारे में, तो उन्होंने अपने एक फ्रेंड को बताया और वो आपसे किचन करवा भी रहे हैं. मुझे वो सोसाइटी का नाम इट्स नॉट हियर, I don't remember the society name, but they are getting their kitchen done by Furniture 5 only.
तो हम रेफरेंस पे ही काम करते हैं, तो आपका ट्रस्ट हमारे लिए सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है. सो आप हमें अगर ट्रस्ट पे अगर नंबर्स देना चाहें, अगर आपको रेट करना हो हमें आउट ऑफ 10, तो हमें क्या रेटिंग्स मिलेंगी?
ट्रस्ट पे हम आपको 11 भी दे देंगे.
और वो ट्रस्ट आपने बनाया है. I mean, it's not that it's only my word. The feedback which we hear from the group also, the feedback which we get from all the society groups also, or where you had already worked, right? The same feedback we are getting from everywhere. So I'll say that on trust, as she mentioned already, it's 11 out of 10.
थैंक यू. तो सर अगर जैसे काम कंप्लीट हो गया है, लेकिन सपोर्ट यहीं ख़त्म नहीं होता. ये एक जो रिलेशनशिप है वो हमेशा चलती रहनी चाहिए. तो आपको कभी कुछ भी अगर रिक्वायरमेंट पड़ती है तो हाउ फार वी आर, लाइक आपको जैसे कंप्लीट होने के बाद छोटी मोटी
मैसेज एंड अ फोन कॉल.
I'll say that you are a phone call away, right? Your site lead, he is very supportive whenever we are giving any feedback to him, or we are asking for some support. Once the things are done, now things are done, it's been around 15-20 days, right? But still, whenever we call him, he's always quite responsive, and they send their team members also here to resolve some of the small issue whatever we are getting.
When we are taking services from someone and then they say like ho jayega, so it give a trust and positivity that of course we have invested at right place, because after sales of course it matters a lot, because you have of course invested a lot of time and money also. So when like something is not working and you are calling someone and they are not responding to you, so it really feel disappointed, but your team is very supportive. So we feel it good whenever there is, because when you are shifted you find something like that is not like you don't like it also. So when you tell them like it is not working that way, so they come and they resolve that issue at the same time only.
तो इंटीरियर एक बार होता है, बार बार तो घर का पूरा इंटीरियर नहीं हो पाता. तो और क्या हमने इंश्योर किया है कि ये कोई लाइफ टाइम रिग्रेट ना हो?
Yeah, 100%. You have ensured कि जो हमने डिज़ाइन किया है यहाँ पे, जो हमने बनाया है, the overall this feels like home, I'll say, right? It was house and now it feels like home. So that's the effort of all of the team members who worked on this home, and now we really like it here.
Now we are not feeling like we have come to a new place.
Yeah.
So because in the design, like it gives a touch for everything when you are designing and you are thinking or planning for anything. So it gives a vibe, and when you actually see the things, it feel like you have been into the things. So we don't feel like that we are new to the place like now. So it feel like like we are into the things for like 6-7 months, I think.
Yeah, I mean, it's not that we are living here from last 1 week only. It's been now 8 months actually,
We are connected with you guys.
Yeah, since we started discussing about this house, since then it feels like, because it came exactly what we wanted, right? And sometime even more than that, we'll say, right? So
it's definitely, because आप वहाँ बोल रहे हैं और मुझे यहाँ goosebumps हो रहे हैं. So it's honestly so, मैम, जब हम फाइनल रिजल्ट देखते हैं ना, तो आपसे काफ़ी ज़्यादा खुशी हमें हो रही होती है. And it is like our very you can say deep from my heart, individually, my company, like how we stand by, and I just so glad आपको देख कर कि आपको सब चीज़ें इतनी पसंद आई है. तो अगर मैं मैम लाइक वर्किंग के अलावा हैप्पीनेस पे अगर मैं रेट करूँ, तो मैम लाइक हाउ हैप्पी यू आर लाइक लिविंग इन दिस हाउस नाउ हैज बीन कंप्लीटेड एंड यू आर कंप्लीटली शिफ्टेड. तो अभी आपको कैसा अच्छा लगता है यहाँ पे रहना, यूज़ करना सब?
Like I'm feeling really happy and of course satisfied also. Like in a 1 week only we are feeling like a good home and good vibes together also. And of course when I am work for my like working hours also. So I am sitting here also, it is comfortable area. I'm sitting there also, it is comfortable area. Because when you are working at home, so you need a stress-free area. So there are a lot of places we have designed, like I can sit anywhere, so it feel really happy and give me like a stress-free day also. So I'm feeling good and great here.
सर अगर मैं आपकी बात करूं, how great and happy you are feeling?
No, so if home ministry is happy, you know, if she's stress free, I'm even more than happy, right?
So glad, so great.
So that's what I'll
so
say over
beautiful. It's indeed a very beautiful moment. So glad to thank you so much for hosting us today and giving us your precious time, taking leave from Furnishers by Anshul Gupta along with Nishu sir and Priti ma'am. This beautiful house now belongs to them. So thank you for hosting us. Thank you so much.
Thank you
ma'am.
very
Thank
much.
you for
Thank you,
coming.
Anshul.
Yeah.